अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं वीर शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् याद आएंगे उनको कभी ना कभी कृष्ण दर्शन तो देंगे कभी ना कभी अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् याद आएंगे उनको कभी ना कभी याद आएंगे उनको कभी ना कभी कृष्ण दर्शन तो देंगे कभी ना कभी कृष्ण दर्शन तो देंगे कभी ना कभी अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम् राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम् राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्
समुदी हो समुदी आजठू हेलो समुदी झिया पाई रख हार पुओ पाई रख मुदी
पांजी देखी कहिछंती तो नाहक पड़िछि राज जटक जगन्नाथंकु तो गुआ निमंत्रण बंधु बांधवंकु डाक
हो जन्म जन्म की खोज बताए राम से चल के राम पे आए प्रेम कोई हमें और न जाने राम से रूठे राम से माने राम सिया की करुण कहानी एक है चंदन एक है पानी राम सिया राम जय जय राम 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 तेरे नाम घूमता ना तेरे नाम आदि का तेरे नाम आदि का तेरे नाम आदि का घूमता ना 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 तेरे नाम हरि अनंत हरि कथा अनंता
നീലമലച്ചാരം തെണ്ടു നെസവ് നടത്തുമിടം നീലമലച്ചാരം வானம் குனிவதிலும் மண்ணை தொடுவதிலும் காதல் அறிந்திருந்தேன் காணம் உறைந்து வடும் மௌன பெருவெளியில் ஒரு ஞானம் வளர்த்திருந்தேன் இதயம் விரித்திருந்தேன் நான் இயற்கையில் திளைத்திருந்தேன் சிட்டுக்குருவி ஒன்று வேக பார்வை கொண்டு வட்டப்பாறையின் மேல் என்னை வா வா என்றது கிச்சு கிச் என்றது கிட்டவா என்றது பேச்சு எதுவுமின்றி பிரியமா என்றது கிச்சு கிச் என்றது கிட்டவா என்றது பேச்சு எதுவுமின்றி
मैं सबको छोड़ गया इश्क नहीं करना नाप तोल के राज खोल के आया हूँ मैं सबको बोल गया ओ मैं तो चलिया तेरी ओर तेरा चलिया है जोर तेरा होया मैं यार में भूले आए संसार में चलिया तेरी ओर तेरा चलिया है जोर तेरा होया मैं यार में भूले
What can never happen. So the first chapter of our lives was written by two amazing souls as a couple together. Actually 4 different people. I'll request Amreshwar sir and Sangamitra ma'am to please join us on stage. Photo हो जाए पहले. And emotionally होना है. ठीक है? ये compulsion में है. ठीक है? So we are starting from this corner because I am here.
Thanks to Kumar ji, Dr. Rama, Nani, and Pati, and all of them near and dear. I will join with us all the way from Baroda, Pune, Mumbai. Thank you very much. Welcome to the family Aditya. And congratulations to you both of them. We both wish love, togetherness, and best of the best. We both have best wishes. So once again, congratulations to you and the rest. Sangamitra will speak.
Sir, ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ଲାଜଉ ଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ବୁଝି ପାରିନି. He is actually being a little shy. लग रहा है क्या? Doesn't looks like it's there. I'm there pre-wedding.
Yes.
We'll come back to you guys. But first the blessing.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन. आप लोग सब आए, मैं बहुत आभारी हूँ जितने सब लोग आए आशीर्वाद देने के लिए मेरी बच्ची को. और आज मेरी बच्ची को एंगेजमेंट है और बहुत दूर से वो लोग आए हैं बड़ौदा से. तो जैसे मैंने आज पहली बार मैं उनसे मिली तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. बहुत अच्छी फैमिली है. मैं अभी बहुत खुश हूँ कि मेरी बच्ची को इतनी अच्छी फैमिली मिला. उससे आए इतना कोऑपरेट करे. इतनी गर्मी हो रही है उड़ीसा में, भुवनेश्वर में, फिर भी उन लोगों ने इतना हमको कोऑपरेट कर रहे हैं. इतना खुशी सब कुछ झेल रहे हैं. तो मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है. कुछ भी मन में अभी इतना जो चिंता रहती थी कि मेरी बच्ची कैसे रहेगी क्या है, और इन लोगों से मिलने के बाद मेरा सारी चिंता जैसे दूर हो गई. अभी मैं सोच रही थी कितने जल्दी बस शादी हो जाए. सबका आशीर्वाद रहेगा तो जल्दी इन दोनों का शादी हो जाएगी. और आप जितने सब लोग आज मेरे इधर आए हैं सब मेरे फैमिली जैसे, क्योंकि मैं सच में बता रही हूँ मेरा सबसे जो नज़दीक है मेरा फैमिली, मैं जिसको मानती हूँ सब आज मेरे सामने खड़े हैं. और मैं सोचती हूँ कि शादी में आप लोग जरूर आएंगे और मेरी बच्ची को आशीर्वाद देने के लिए।
नमस्ते। मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है कि श्रुति शिक्षा अपने घर अपने हो रही है और हमारी पूरी कोशिश रहेगा कि वधू और वर दोनों खुशी रहे, लंबी आयु जिए और भगवान की कृपा उन पर सदा रहे। उनको जो भी कामनाएं हैं वो सफल हो।
One and all, first of all, I thank Mr. and Mrs. Panda for having welcomed us to this beautiful Bhubaneswar city. I have come to this place once. I am not very fluent in your language. Kindly pardon me for speaking in English. See, I have interacted with Shruti for quite a long time. She is such a wonderful child. We welcome her to our family. We have already welcomed her to our family. Such a beautiful and wonderful child. And this beautiful evening, you are all together with us. This ceremony, and I wish both of them, as my husband was telling, wishing both the children a long life, togetherness, and fulfilling all their wishes in their life, and to have full happiness in their life. Thank you for all of your presence and for fullest cooperation from Mr. and Mrs. Panda, and the extended gratefulness whatever they have given to us for the last 2 days, and their hospitality which has been extended to us, the stay, everything which has been given to us. I am really grateful to our family, and I also extend my fullest thanks to all my family members who have come all the way to extend their presence and for gracing the occasion. My sister, my sister-in-law, and especially my mother-in-law and my mother in their old age, having come all the way to keep their presence here. I am really very, very grateful for both my mother and my mother-in-law. I really cannot express my words to thank my mother and my mother-in-law for their presence for this occasion. I really pray to the Almighty that their presence will be there for the wedding of the kids also. I really pray the Almighty. Thank you for everyone, one and all, who have attended this function to grace the occasion. Thank you again, everyone. Thank you.
It's to be disclosed, ना बाद में stage के पीछे we'll talk about it. But we have come to what is the Kumars. Can we see you people wherever you guys are? Can I see the hands up? Okay. So the Kumars, there's a ritual. Please join us once. So the people who can join, Aram se can stand. Please join us. Okay. Sir and ma'am, you have to wait for a while. Even they don't know that was a ritual, but it is. She is too eager to come on stage actually. Hi. That I believe all these beautiful women should be there. The limelight should be there. Guys, please clap for them. Panda, I request you to welcome them with all your heart. Clap, more. Definitely come. Yeah. Every form of Shruti as his life partner. भाई सबकी खूबसूरती एक ही टाइप की है यार. तालियां होनी चाहिए. Now I believe all the Kumars and Hivans in Odisha, that too especially the two states wedding, has to start with one Odia song. Okay. And the families has to dance together. This will be initiated by us because we people are old. And you guys have to follow. ठीक है? People here, बहने भाइयों, Odia, brother cousins, you guys have to be a part of this too. इतना बड़ा stage नहीं है यहाँ पे. ठीक है? The song please. Now to all of us. Nice one. क्या जादू करा है तुमने? We all want to know this, but what we do is, Shruti, come here. All we got to do is this. We have to keep our hands over the waist of each other's. Please, come do it. See how seriously I'm saying. You need to understand. This is a very important ritual. Ma'am, come on. Everyone.
Everyone
has to do it. Okay. And once the song will start, you have to do just 2 steps. Okay, one right and sing. The right leg together, then the left leg. Okay. The music, everyone together. From 2 different states. If we have already made you dance to our tunes, it's our right to dance to your tunes as well. Like any? Yes. I don't know whether this will be in your language or not, but let's play one. Now with that, no. कुछ बोलने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, but still quickly asking, how many years it has been? Can we say this on mic?
We were friends initially, so if you count that as well, then 6 years.
नहीं वो नहीं चाहिए.
Who fell in love first? Happily, okay. So Aditya and Shruti, we quickly wanted to know that what are the few qualities of each other that you adore the most? Like, I mean, I needed to ask very precisely 5 qualities that you love in your partner the most, and 3 that you want the other partner to change but they have not changed. Aditya, bro, this is your time. After the wedding or after this ritual, you cannot speak, brother. Take this chance and speak. Ask the people who have been married since so many years. Kumar sir, can you speak at your home? Sometimes, okay. Okay, so who do you want to hear it from first, Aditya or Shruti? Aditya? Why are you making it difficult for the man? It has to be difficult. Okay, the 5 good qualities of Shruti, and of course, some that you want her to change. And she has not done it. Because we are doing it on camera, she is forced to do it. Okay.
First 5 good qualities. That you want to change. This is actually a tough one.
First good one.
This is a tough one because there are 1,000 good qualities in my head, but to pick 5 of them, first is that she's very organized. Like, if I am very bad at it. I can't organize stuff, so every time like I have to have things in line, I turn to her, and like she's the pathway for that. Like, she helps me to decide what to do when, and you know, every kind of planning and execution. Like, the perennial event manager of my life would be Shruti. Yeah, and that probably counts as like what 3-4. And the other thing is that she okay, there are many, but I'm just thinking. Okay, I can give you one. She is very time focused. Like she wakes up on time and she
She's
goes.
very punctual.
Yeah, she's very punctual, basically. Yeah, and she's also a fitness freak. So she keeps me motivated, to stay fit too, and we have a lot of conversations around health and fitness. And also she has become a very good cook. So I'm trying to learn how to make some of the dishes myself. Looking forward to make them for her someday.
So 5, right? Good things. Now we get to the second question. What all qualities would you like her to change? He's thinking.
Look, the reason why I'm standing here is because there are none. There's nothing I want to change about her. Yeah, well,
I know she is totally disagreeing to this statement.
Use it to 1. Give it only 1.
sometimes she's too nice, like too overly nice to everyone. Like, yeah. So,
You are playing safe, brother. This is not fair.
I think I'll have to be diplomatic about it. I wasn't gonna be, but now I have to be.
There are few.
We will never know. We will never know.
Okay, so all the good things about it.
Again, there are so many good things. Like our friends actually know us. Like they have seen us throughout, so they know everything. Yeah, you're asking the wrong people.
Yeah, you should ask them.
We will get back to these people.
He's the life of the party. Like wherever he's there, it's like कोई party ऐसा सूखा हो ही नहीं सकता है उसके बिना. Not any gathering. Like he's just the life of the party. If he's not there, then I just feel like nahi yaar, he should have been there. So that presence, he makes everyone feel his presence. So he has that quality that he makes sure that पूरा attention तो उस पे रहे and सब enjoy करें मस्त. That is one thing. Then he listens everything that I ask him. Like कुछ भी रहता है तो मेरी बात को मान लेता है. कुछ भी रहता है पहला थोड़ा झिक करेगा. But then he'll come around and then he'll be like, you were right, Shruti. So yeah, now he has learned it the hard way. But yeah, he listens to me on like each and everything. So that has
Boss
been.
is always right.
Yeah. No, I'm not saying that, but yeah. If you're saying. What else? Even there are some of the qualities that he mentioned that he himself has. Like he's a fitness freak, and we both keep each other motivated that way. And I like that he enjoys. Like whenever we go out on dates, like we have so many dates, we go out and we enjoy having food, but it's like we also enjoy being like staying fit. So it's like never a dull day with him. Did I say everything right? Of course.
It was Aditya. Okay, so tonight, in front of all of us, it is saying that the Miya bhi Razi to kya karega Kazi. But since all the Kazis are already here and taking so much of efforts by traveling so far and come here, so definitely the proposal which happened some 6 years back. Okay. So we'll give this mic to the gentleman. Dude, this is your evening. You have already earned 3 points, but now with all your feelings, do propose your lady and then we give you the rings to exchange and take one step ahead in your life, which is forever together. Are you asking ChatGPT about this?
Actually, I had the thing written. Like this.
There.
तेरी आंखों की नमकीन मस्तियाँ, तेरी हंसी की बेपरवाह गुस्ताखियाँ, तेरी जुल्फों की लहराती अंगड़ाइयाँ, नहीं भूलूंगा मैं जब तक है जान, जब तक है जान।
मेरे भाई मोमेंट का फायदा उठा के वो 3 मैजिकल वर्ड भी बोल दे, ताकि ये प्यार भरे लाइन तुमने कहे हैं उसका बहुत ही प्यार भरा समराइज भी हो जाए, है ना? होना ही चाहिए। आपने स्टार्ट करो।
Will you marry me?
सोच के बताओ। Yes, of course.
आप हमारी जान बन गए, आप हमारी जान बन गए, आप ही रब आप ईमान बन गए, आप हमारी जान बन गए।
से हमें आप हमदम मिल गए, जैसे कि दुआ को अल्फाज मिल गए, सोचा जो नहीं वो हासिल हो गया।
कपल बॉडी है।
अब मुझे
रब से मिला एक आयान बन गए, ख्वाबों का मेरे मकान बन गए,
आपकी तारीफ में क्या कहें, आप हमारी जान बन गए, आप हमारी जान बन गए।
कि रब्बा जानदा तैनू कितनी मोहब्बत दिल करदा, कि रब्बा जानदा तैनू कितनी मोहब्बत दिल करदा। हाँ तेरे बाजो जी नहीं लगदा, रोग ये लगा इश्क दा, हर दुआ में तैनू मंगदा, कि रब्बा जानदा तैनू कितनी मोहब्बत दिल करदा।
बिकॉज पता नहीं था कि ये वाला कभी आएगा ये डे, बिकॉज जब हम छोटे थे वी नेवर यूज्ड टू टॉक अबाउट दीज थिंग्स कि इसका मैरिज होगा एंड इसको कुछ कोई हस्बैंड ऐसा कोई भी पार्टनर मिलेगा, आई हैव नेवर थॉट ऑफ इट। एंड मुझे तो लगता था आई हैव टू मेक अ हैंडबुक कि कैसे ये है, इसको मतलब कौन झेल पाएगा क्या नहीं। मेरे को लगता नहीं था ऐसा कुछ होगा, बट भाई ट्रस्ट मी, ही इज द बेस्ट partner my sister could ever have. Apart from that, thank you so much guys for coming. Also, ये सब कुछ entire thing, जो भी transportation, जो भी जैसा planning है, thanks to पापा and मम्मी, सब उन्होंने arrange किया है in a very short time and बहुत अच्छे से arrange किया है. So we are really happy about it because मेरे को लगा था we have to put in a lot of efforts, but it was really seamless. So thank you for that. Also, Adi bhai ki family, they are also really supportive and really nice. We all love them and I wish कि वो और ज़्यादा दिन रुक पाते यहाँ पे, और ज़्यादा दिन यहाँ पे stay करें. And apart from it, मैं दीदी के बारे में यही बोलूँगा कि she is my everything, like literally. उसने मेरे को बहुत support किया है in high times, in low times. नहीं होना चाहता emotional, but she is really my everything.
Ayush.
So कुछ नहीं, बस बहुत इमोशनल था सुबह से एंड भाई के साथ भी 2-3 दिन हमने बहुत फन किया है. पहले भी हम लोग बहुत बार मिले, एकदम फुल वाइब मैच किया हम लोग का एंड बहुत मजा आया उनके साथ मेरे को. एंड ट्रूली मैं बचपन से चाहता था कि एक एल्डर ब्रदर हो एंड ही इज द वन. सो या जस्ट थैंक यू.
एक्चुअली एक और चीज मैं आयुष के बारे में बताना चाहूँगा. ही थैंक्ड अंकल एंड आंटी फॉर ऑल द अरेंजमेंट्स, बट द रियल हीरो इज आयुष हिमसेल्फ, because he is the architect and the orchestrator of everything that has gone on for the last 2 days, and he has kept everything in place. He kept everything ready. I mean, he made life so much easier for my family and everyone else, and he's an amazing guy. He's like a rock star. That's what I call him.
ਛੱਡਿਓ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਿਨ ਦਿਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਣਾ. ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਤੂੰ ਚੱਲਣਾ ਏ ਮਾਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਚੱਲਣਾ. ਤੂੰ ਜੀ ਸਕਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮੈਂ ਜੀ ਸਕਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕੋਈ ਦੂਸਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ਰਤਾਂ ਵੀ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ. क्या
Damn guys!
देखो हजार बार देखो कि देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल डाली हो
They say the holy water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane our masterpiece. Oh my, my love, I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down till we're dead and buried, on the edge of your knife, staying drunk on your vine. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found something